Hi, welcome to the store, love. My name is Ebuka. How can I help you? Oh, you want to buy plants? Obviously, because this is a plant store. Your very first plant for that matter. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? What's your name? Judy? Yes. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions while I take you around the store and let you know what plants work best for you based on the answers you give me. Okay? Let's begin, biatch. By the way, this is a joke. Please, so I'm not hallucinating. I'm not having a psychotic. This is a joke, a skit. Just play along, okay? Let's go. Now, Judy, love, have a seat. Are you a busy babe of society? Do you travel a lot and often? Do you barely have time for yourself, for your children? Then I've got the perfect plan for you, love. This. Get yourself one of these. No, it's not a lemongrass, love. It's a ponytail palm. Do you see how the leaves look like a signature Ariana Grande hairstyle? Hence the name, ponytail palm. The awesome thing about this one and why I'm recommending it for you is that it is incredibly drought tolerant. Do you see this fat codex here? That fat codex is full of water. Yes, Judy, so it barely needs to be watered. Honestly, this one gets treated like trash, but she doesn't mind. It's also very light adaptable. Takes full sun, takes low light. You know, you can just play around with different places in your house, you know, and figure out where you want to place it. Now, I also have some more options for you that you might like. Do you wanna see them? Let's go, babes. Hi. This is another fantastic option for you, Judy. This is an agronema. And yes, I know you probably have heard that agronemas are boring office plants, but we have so many unique varieties like this. I believe this is a Snow White. I'm gonna confirm with management, but this is either a Snow White or a Snow Queen. Either way, she's very easy. And I treat her like trash. I barely water her, maybe like twice a month, yes, and we're good to go. She's also in this corner that isn't like very bright, and you know, she's chilling, she's doing her thing, she's growing. So yes, Judy, this is a great one. Now I'm gonna stand up because my knees are burning. I'm 36 years old of age. This job doesn't pay me well enough for this. So let me stand up. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, Judy. I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you about these guys. These guys here, let me just close this. These guys here, they're snake plants. And I know you've probably heard that they're generic, and I know you've probably seen the most common, basic ones. But babes, there's so many unique varieties like this one. This is a Sansevieria Jaboa. I don't know why other nurseries don't have it, especially in the States, but we have it and we stock it. She's super drought tolerant for the busy girlies like you are. And also, she's very low light tolerant as well. You can see how dark this garden center is. For a garden center, we sure do not have sufficient natural light, but we make do. With guys like this. So definitely, yeah, I would recommend this, darlings. I would recommend this. Yeah, you're not that busy? Oh, okay, you have the time? Oh, okay. Are you one of those girls that have no social life? You have no friends? You're always in your house? No, it's fine. I'm just like that. I have no social life too. I'm always indoors, you know, I have all the time and care. And you know, someone like me, if I get a plant, I'm gonna bombard it with love. Plants like this are not gonna work for you then, but I've got the perfect plant. You're gonna love it. I personally don't love it because she's a bit too needy, but if you don't have a social life, this plant was perfectly made for people like you. It's a peace lily. No, babe, just because it's called a peace lily doesn't mean it is peaceful. It just likes a lot of attention. It actually should be called an attention-seeking lily. Yeah, so she just loves to be watered a lot. She wants to be pampered continuously. She wants, she's very needy. So she's perfect for people that don't have a life, that don't have a social life, like you, Judy. Oh, I'm so sorry. You actually have a social life. Okay. Oh, you want something that will impress your plant friends, these snobby aeroid lovers, I have the perfect rare-ish variegated plant, like your first variegated plant I will always recommend for every beginner. Let's stand up, you're gonna love it. Let's go. The perfect beginner friendly variegated plant, you know, for that beginner to just want a variegated aeroid that they can use to, like, you know, show off. This, Judy, this is a variegated philodendron Burler Max. This one is very easy. The variegation is actually stable and it grows super vigorously. Just look at how cute and bouncy she is. Like, your friends are gonna be so jealous of you, Judy. Yeah, so she's super easy. Also drought tolerant as well. Here's a tip. You wanna get one like this. That is very variegated. Because these guys, the green, the non-variegated part, can very quickly overtake the variegated part. Very quickly. So you want one that has a lot of variegation like this. Okay? So would you be you want something a bit more rare, a bit more expensive, but still beginner friendly? Oh, Judy, I think I have something you absolutely love. Let me show you this. This one's so expensive, but like if you're a beginner and you wanna begin with a splash, a really unicorn rare plant, you're gonna love this one. Let's go, Judy. Let's go. I love you. This, Judy, is a Dieffenbachia Big Ben variegata. I don't know why I'm whispering, but whenever I'm next to her presence, I just feel like I need to whisper. Anyways, yes, so she is definitely not cheap, but oh my god, like the best variegated plant you will ever buy. Like she's so easy. Just place her in a corner right next to a window like this. No, Judy, you can't, don't touch her, Judy. You only touch her when you've paid. When you've paid the money, then you can touch her. Right now, I'm the only one that gets the touch. Yeah, so place her right next to a window. She doesn't even require fancy salt. I'm growing this babe in Coca-Cola entirely. Water her when she's dry, you know, and she's fine. She is very phototrophic. So you don't want to place her far from the grow light or far from a window. That might be the only tricky part because she does like to stretch. She's a bit of a stretch. But you know, other than that, she's easy and iconic. Yeah. So would you be paying right now? Like we don't accept cash, but we accept. Oh, you want to see more? Judy, I hope you're not wasting my time, because I may. Okay, let me calm down. So Judy, what do you have in mind? Oh, something? A statement plant? Yes. That can grow in your low light living room? Oh my goodness, I have the perfect plant for you. I wish you had told me this earlier. Statement, like something huge and tall that you can use to decorate like a dark corner, like in your living room. You don't want grow lights, like I don't. They can be quite ugly. I have the perfect plant for you, and I believe we're going to seal the deal after seeing this plant. Okay, let's go, biatch. Oh, sorry. I have to. Sorry, let's go. Judy, this cornstalk Dracana. As you can see, we're in this really dark corner of the garden center. I know it looks like a living room, but this is an actual garden center. But yeah, she's doing absolutely fine in this dark corner. There's no form of natural light. I mean, this is the plant that is going to give you that gravitas, that statement look. Remember you said you wanted a statement plant? That statement look in your living room. And can I blow your mind? Come closer, Judy. I want to show you something to show you that she's actually growing, even in like really low light. You're gonna be sold after seeing this, Judy. Like, oh my god, this is why this is the best garden center in like the world. Come. See, it's bringing out like a new offset. Yes, Judy, it is. Like, I saw it the other day and I was like, oh my god, what is this? Is this like, what is this? Is this a strange alien? But it actually bringing out a new offset, a new sheet, while growing in this dark living room. Sorry, I meant garden center. This is not a living room, this is a garden center. So yes, Judy, are you ready to buy the plants now? I mean, this is perfectly what you needed. Can I get your credit card? I don't understand. You still want more options? Judy, I hope you're not wasting my time. No, yes, I know. I don't want to rush you. I don't want to pressure you because it's your first time as a beginner player. I understand that. But can you see how I'm sweating in this terrible outfit? And I'm putting you through all of this. Okay, this was what happened when I got fired the last time. So let me just calm down. Okay, you want to see one more? Yeah, something can grow in a very bright space. I thought you had a low light living room. Oh, suddenly you have a very high light. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I don't typically recommend this to beginners. But since you said you have like a high light situation, this can work. I hope you see the deal after this. I just hope so. Okay. Let's go. Now, I don't typically recommend these to beginners because it can be quite taxing to maintain them, to grow them so beautifully. Okay, but since you said you have a really bright window, you said you have a large bay window, something like that, you can buy one of these. So this is the standing monstera, as we call it here. It doesn't need a pole. I would advise you lean towards it's a bit more expensive, right? But you don't have to worry about like the moss poles, all that stuff. So it doesn't need a pole and it gets really big. You also need a lot of space. You have the space for this. Okay, so this one, and then when you grow any one of these, you want to face them right next to your window. They should be backing you and facing the window. Understood, Judy? Or you can get this one here. This is the climbing one. This grows a lot faster, but you're gonna need like a pole. You're gonna need a pole. So which one are we going for, Judy? Let me stand up my knees. Which one are we going for? Let's go inside. It's quite hot here. Let's conclude this inside. Judy, which one are you going for? Let me document it so you can get it. Also, we accept credit. Sorry, Judy. I don't think I'm hearing you well. You said you're not going for anyone. Jesus! Judy, after all the stress you put me through, can you see how I'm sweating? You took me outside under the hot, dangerous sun. Judy, Judy. Security, please keep me away from Judy because I might end up in jail. I quit, Judy. I quit. Okay, we're back from the fantasy realm. I just wanted that to be a fun and unique take. A fun, unique and practical take on a conversation that so many YouTubers have had. As you can see in the video, I categorize beginners into various types because at the end of the day, human beings are not a monolith. Everyone has different reasons why they buy their first plan. So it's best to just profile them based on a couple of questions and then recommend the appropriate plans for them and their growing conditions. That is how you keep people hooked in this hobby. Yes, including people like Judy, who are very understanding. Don't we all just hate it? If you're a business person, I'm sure you have had your fair share of Judys in life. They will put you through it. At the end of the day, they won't buy anything. They definitely test your customer service skills. Anyways, if you found this video helpful and you liked it, you better like it. In fact, you don't have a choice. You have to like it because you just saw a 36-year-old man having a conversation with his imaginary character called Judy. So you have no choice. You have to like it. You have to like this video. You have to subscribe. You have to share it to your friends. You have to you tell everyone about this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, like and share. Also, what do you guys think? Should I make more videos where I speak to like my fantasy world? No, actually, no, I don't want to do that. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.